What's up guys, we're on our balcony per usual and just had our daily breakfast and we're about to explore more of Ubud Bali in day 3. So you just entered the Tibumana Waterfall, walking through this jungle to get to the waterfall. There was a small entrance fee of 10,000 rupiah, that's like 67 cents. And yeah, I'm already liking this waterfall a lot because it looks a little bit more preserved, already less tourists than the Tibumana Waterfall. But yeah, we're like in the middle of a jungle right now. So I'm really stoked right now. This waterfall is beautiful and totally different than the other one. There's literally no one else here besides us. This is really the definition of a hidden waterfall. We had to drive a little bit further away for this one, but definitely worth it since we have this waterfall all to ourselves in the middle of a jungle. At the waterfall guys, and we're about to dive in like Trey Songz. Leaving the waterfall now. The jungle, I mean. Just another Bali view right outside the waterfall. Okay, after another trek, we're at the Kanto Lampo Waterfall, the base, where we're gonna find the waterfall. This is beautiful. I feel like Tarzan. The journey down here is crazy. I really feel like Tarzan now. I'm about to take a waterfall bath. That felt good. It's really slippery here and it's pretty cold, but we're here. This waterfall is probably one of the best I've been to so far. It's the most picturesque for Instagram photos, just like these. But yeah, you gotta watch your steps. It's really slippery in here, super slippery. I saw it like a couple times, but it's really dope. This waterfall has the most locals by far. So that definitely means it's a good thing. It was really fun. And now we're going to our next destination. Some Mexican food later. We are now at the Ubud Royal Palace.
And this guy, he'll take us there in 10 minutes.
Gonna walk around, see the sights, and then watch a legong dance, fire dance, in a moment. The Royal Palace under construction, so now we're across at the community center waiting for this legong fire dance. And we came early, so we got some front row VIP seats. here's the stage.
Tweet about it.
Actually, scratch that. It's not just a fire dance. It's a bunch of different cultural dances. Now that we've learned, they are epics. So we're about to be in for a show, guys. So we just got back to our bungalow after watching the traditional legong dance. It's definitely one of my favorite, if not my favorite cultural thing that we did. It was a really cool dance. And now we're gonna hide from the bugs and get some sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for more Bali adventures.